Good morning, dear children. Nowadays, your science copies are submitted for the correction. So, the question answer of lesson, a house, a home, we will do later on when you will get your copies back. Today, I am going to start new lesson and the name of the chapter is measurement. Children, we need to measure many different things in our daily life. If we talk about our day to day life, we know that there are lot of things that we need to measure. For example, how far is your school from your home? What is your height? Who is taller, you or your best friend? Which is longer, your pencil or your ruler? What is your weight? So, children, to get the answers, you need to measure the length, weight, or capacity of these things. And for this, we use a standard unit of measurement. Okay? Because by using this standard unit, we can get the accurate length, weight of these things, right? In older days, when there was no concept of measurement, people used their body parts. Here you can see in this picture hand span, cubit, stride, and foot span. These body parts are used to measure different lengths. Okay, but children, this method of measurement is not accurate. So we need a standard unit of measurement, and the standard unit of length is meter. Okay, what is the standard unit of length? This is meter. And children, a smaller length of objects are measured in centimeter, and 1 meter has 100 centimeter. It means when 1 meter is divided into 100 equal parts, each part is called centimeter. Okay, and there are some smaller objects which are measured in millimeter. And children, when 1 centimeter is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is known as millimeter. It means 1 centimeter has 10 millimeter. Okay? Here, children, you can see different units of the length, and longer distance are measured in kilometer. So, the biggest unit of the length is kilometer and the smallest unit of length is millimeter. Okay, and standard unit of length is meter. Okay, so longer distances like distance between two cities are measured in kilometer, and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. It means 1 kilometer can be divided in 1000 equal parts, then each part is known as meter. Okay, children, here you can see some objects are there that are used to measure the length, and you must have seen these objects on different places. You must have seen this ruler in your geometry box, and this you are using to measure the length of line. Okay, this is a measuring tape that mostly the tailors use to measure the length of your dress. Okay, and this is measuring rod that is used by the cloth merchant. They measure the length of a cloth. So children, this was all about the unit of measurement of length. Read this lesson once again. Learn all the units of length and learn the difficult words. Thank you and have a good day.